friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing y'all how I make a healthier breakfast bowl. Now this bowl is Whole30 approved and you could easily make it keto or paleo if need be. So let's go ahead and get started. How to get by. Hey. Okie doke friends, here are some of the ingredients you'll need. Some turkey bacon. Now you're more than welcome to use any Whole30 compliant bacon as well. Butternut squash, potatoes, Brussels sprouts, eggs, avocado, and some spinach. Wow, 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 woo. Go ahead and dice up your potatoes and then set them aside. Next, you'll want to season your Brussels sprouts using some olive oil and this crunch onion thing from Trader Joe's, and you guys go and get it ASAP. And then here are some additional seasonings, so use whatever you like. Combine your potatoes and squash in a bowl and season. For my peeps who don't have an air fryer, you can literally just throw all of this on a sheet and put your turkey bacon on top. Only thing I want to mention is make sure you drizzle olive oil on your potatoes and squash. Bake at 400 for 15 to 20 minutes. For my friends who do have an air fryer, I would put your Brussels in for 8 minutes at 350 degrees first. Then once that's done, put your turkey bacon on top and then do another 8 minutes at 350. The reason why we're doing that is because turkey bacon is less fatty than regular bacon, so you don't want to overcook your turkey bacon. Now, if you're doing this with regular bacon, that won't be a problem and you can just cook it all at once. Once the Brussels and the turkey bacon are done cooking, go ahead and put your seasoned potatoes and squash in the air fryer. You'll want to cook this at 350 for 15 minutes. Now make sure you drizzle with olive oil. I'm still trying to figure out if I can make eggs in the air fryer, but until then, go ahead and cook them separately however you like, and that's it. The easiest one sheet or one air fryer tray meal you'll ever make. Let me know if you guys try this down below and your thoughts. I don't know about y'all, but I'm so ready to be back onto the healthy eating. Julian was about to get really mad at me if I ended up on my 600-pound life. So there you have it. Until next time, friends.